Hey YouTubers, I just wanted to try out stuff. I bought these socket organizers. It's a tool review about the Ernest 3/8. It's got 13 twist locks on it. Let's get done wrapping it. Alright, as you see, it just wrapped up. This right here, it's all your letters and stuff to put on there. Okay. Throw that away. Alright, let's see here. Let's go up to there. Okay. And the deal is that, I don't know, there's a lot of videos out there about them, but I like them. I've tried a lot of different ones. As you can see, I've got these from Harbor Freight. I have the old, just plain ones. They're okay. The only thing about it is they're just a pain. Okay. What I do is there's always a hole in there. There's a little dention in there. I seem like it's a lot easier to go past it and make sure that that dention is with that hole. Seems like it holds a little better. Like I say, you can adjust these any way you want. You just grab them both and you can hear them slide. Sorry about that. Changing my mind up. Alright. colors. Alright, but anyway, you just put all your sockets on there. And I've got a another piece that goes on here that you can clip both of them together, but I'll show you. This is the one I already did. As you can see, they hold them pretty good. I mean, I like them once they're snapped in. They hold them pretty good. So this is a view of these Ernest Manufacturing socket organizers. Like I say, you can on this one, I don't know if you could see it good enough, but you can put all your numbers and stuff on them. They're actually on top and on the side, so they're pretty nice. They hold pretty good. So like I said, I've tried these out, and I like them. It seem like they do pretty good. So here's a review, and I hope this helps you out, and we'll do more reviews as I come. I've got some more of these in my metric and my standard, so it's just a matter of putting them all on there. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like it, please comment. Thumbs up if you like it. But I love comments, so comment what you think. Alright.